Beyond the current meltdown in global markets on US recession fears, a long-term and broader trend shows positive investor reaction to countries that have been under significant fiscal strain or, in some cases, an outright crisis. Now look at this next report as we dive into why the worst-hit nations are now becoming the best-performing investments.
The current ongoing fears surrounding an escalating trade war led by US President Donald Trump have markets in a sea of red. However, the recent wild pull and push in market moves is a reflection of current expectations in the near term. Beyond that broadly, global markets often thrive on pessimism, with downturns forcing reforms that drive long-term growth. Analysts note that nations facing crises such as Spain, Greece, Argentina, Sri Lanka, Nigeria and South Africa have enacted tough measures, triggering market recoveries. This explains why investors sometimes react positively to bad news. Economic distress often leads to necessary corrections. Often, market moves are early indicators of the long-term economic expectations. Greece and Spain restructured their economies after the Eurozone crisis, cutting debt through spending reductions and tax reforms. Spain balanced fiscal discipline with social support, while Greece reversed a history of defaults. In emerging markets, Sri Lanka scrapped subsidies and raised taxes post-default, while Nigeria cut fuel subsidies and boosted oil production, stabilizing its currency. South Africa tackled power shortages through infrastructure reforms aimed at long-term productivity. Markets have responded accordingly. Stock indices in these 6 nations have outperformed global averages by 20% annually over 2 years, with Argentina and Sri Lanka leading in dollar terms. Sovereign credit ratings are improving and investor risk premiums on debt are declining. Beyond these examples, Turkey, Egypt and Pakistan are reforming under pressure. Even Germany, once a symbol of stability, has introduced structural changes after stagnation. Experts say financial crises often push governments into action, reinforcing the cycle of reform and recovery. Markets anticipate these shifts and often reward economies on the brink, as they sense opportunities for better risk-reward payoffs. Business Bureau, WION, World is One.